Hi guys, today we're going to talk about Newton's third law. And Newton's third law says for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. According to Newton, whenever objects A and B interact with each other, they exert forces upon each other. So when you sit in a chair, like you're doing now, your body exerts a downward force on the chair, and the chair exerts an upward force on your body. Forgot to tell you, please make sure you have your notebook out and you're writing the notes down. In Newton's third law, there are two forces resulting from this interaction, a force on the chair and a force on your body. These two forces are called action and reaction forces. So let's look at an example. Let's think about Newton's third law in nature. Consider the propulsion or movement of a fish through water. So the fish swimming through water. A fish uses its fins to push water backwards. In turn, the water reacts by pushing the fish forwards, propelling the fish through the water. The size of the force on the water equals the size of the force on the fish. The direction of the force on the water backwards is opposite of the direction of the force on the fish, or forwards. Flying gracefully through the air, birds depend on Newton's third law of motion. As a bird pushes down on its wings, on the air with its wings, the air pushes their wings up and gives them lift. So let's consider the flying motion of birds. A bird flies by use of its wings. The wings of a bird push air downwards. In turn, the air reacts by pushing the bird upwards. So the size of the force on the air equals the size of the force on the bird. The direction of the force on the air downwards is opposite the direction of the force on the bird, or upwards. So those action-reaction force pairs make it possible for our birds to fly. Another example of Newton's third law can be applied when you're playing baseball. So the baseball forces the bat to the left, an action, and the bat forces the ball to the right, the reaction, therefore allowing you to hit the ball. Another way to consider the third law is the motion of your car on the way to school, or your bus. So the car or bus is equipped with wheels which spin backwards. As the wheels spin backwards, they grip the road and push the road backwards. The wheels spin forward, so there's a mistake there. So a car is equipped with wheels which spin forwards. As they spin forwards, they push the road backwards. Sorry about that, guys. Newton's third law says the reaction of a rocket is an application of the third law of motion. Various fuels are burned in the engine, producing hot gases. Those hot gases are pushed against the inside of a tube and escape out the bottom of the tube. As the gases move downward, the rocket moves in the opposite direction, or upward. Okay, so now that you have all those notes in your notebook, we are going to then go to our worksheet on Newton's third law. You're going to complete it with Cami, and then we will go over it when we get to the meet today. So please make sure that you have it in time for your meet, and I will see you this afternoon. Have a great time till then.